Hey Capricorn, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. Romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. Okay. Somebody is coming back. Playfulness. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. Give your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. And I'm seeing stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Okay. Alright, y'all. So let's look at it. Let's look at this. So, Capricorn. There's somebody that I feel like they're making plans to come back towards you. If you haven't heard from this person, I feel like they're trying to figure out the best time to come back to express to you how they truly feel. Because this individual, they do have romantic feelings about you. And they miss having fun with you. They miss, like, flirting with you. It's like when you guys are together, you guys just have fun. Like, when things are good. Like, just, I mean, you bring out, like, this childlike energy, with this person, or to this person. This is how they're thinking and feeling, and they're hoping that you give them another chance to prove themselves to you, because they really do want to be with you. Alright, so let's take a look. Bottom of the deck, I have the Strength card. So somebody could be dealing with a Leo. If not, this is someone who is trying to have the strength to come back towards you to speak their truth. Yeah, this person owes you an apology. But see, right now, it's like they're not confident within themselves. If, one, if you're going to take them back. Two, if you're even willing to speak to them. But I see them coming out of being frustrated about whatever took place between the two of you guys. Because, yeah, they're trying to stay positive. They're trying to manifest having you back in their life. Tell me more. But because they didn't bring balance in the situation between the two of you in the past, this is why they feel like they're not going to be able to turn things around. I'm seeing 2 6s here, so I'm definitely picking up family. There's a family situation that was holding you guys back, and now I'm starting to remember between you and your person. Yeah, because see, yeah, if it's not family, it could be a love interest, but it's a lot of y'all, so just take whatever fits. But I do feel like this person wants to heal things with you. They want to come back. They want to fix things. They definitely want to balance things out. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius here, okay? Somebody could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But I'm telling y'all, this person, they know who they want. They're confident in their decision. They're coming back, Capricorn. Cross watcher, if you've been dealing with a Capricorn, this is how they're thinking and feeling about you. They're coming back. But see, they can't stop thinking about what took place in the past. And see, they need to remove themselves from a toxic situation here. I don't even like the fact that the Magician and the Devil are kind of like looking like this, okay? So, for some of you guys, I'm going to just say it. We're going to call a spade a spade. There could have been like spell work, black magic that could have been interfering in the connection between the two of you. But I do feel like this person is walking away from whatever situation, whether it's family, friends, love interest. They're walking away. But right now they're isolating themselves from you until they can get themselves out of the situation, because they're not trying to hurt you any more than they already have. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. But I'm seeing here, look, they want to have a happy home with you. And they know that they hurt you. And they're afraid that you're not going to talk to them when they approach you. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Aries, Leo. What? Whoa, okay. Y'all, when I do that, it's not by mistake. So let me just throw it out there before I try that again. The fact that I said somebody's dealing with a water sign, but Aries and Leo came out of my mouth, I wish you could see my face. So, somebody out there could be dealing with an Aries or a Leo. That was random, because I know my signs. So anyway, somebody could be dealing with a water sign, a Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio, and there's a Pisces here. I feel like this person is using their intuition but they're scared. They don't know what you're going to say to them. Because this person, I feel like they did play games with you. This person could have been being a player. This person was definitely like in and out of your life a lot. And this is why they're afraid you're not going to take them back. But I do feel like they want to rush in to speak their truth to you. But because they didn't balance things out, this is why they're scared. Could have been dealing with a Gemini. Tell me more. Yeah, but this person wants a family with you. You're their wish fulfillment. Tell me more. And they're making changes in order to come back towards you to make things right. This person is serious. Look at that. They want to move things forward with you. Could be dealing with a Cancer. It's more so up, but I'm going to take it both ways. Like, there's definitely communication coming in. They're going to tell you that they want to move things forward with you. But at the same time, I feel like communication is coming in slow. So, because of the way that card came out, I feel like some of you guys have heard from this person, but it's like the communication is real iffy. You know, if you guys are talking, it's more so like, hey, what's been going on? Like you're trying to play catch up before they really jump in and tell, you know, to let you know what it is that they want. See? Look at that. Oh yeah. This person is like, they're battling themselves for one. Because they don't even know how you're going to take them. Y'all, it's getting dark outside. I'm so sorry. I'm about to cut my lights on in a minute for the next reading. Okay. Anyway, they're battling themselves, trying to figure out, you know, one, they want to be with you, but they're really afraid that you're not going to take them back. They feel like they lost you for good, and they're upset with themselves. But I feel like also there's been some type of battle on their end, with money, with someone. I've been picking up on that a lot. Tell me more. Because this is them taking some type of financial loss, and they want to tell you about it. See, look at that. I have 5, 5, 5. So there's some changes. This person is making some big changes, number one. Number two, I'm telling you, they were battling themselves. I'm feeling like also there's just been a lot of conflict with your person and someone on their end. I don't know if somebody has been taking from them financially, like somebody stole something or they're planning on taking if they walk away. It's something here. But this person doesn't want to argue with you anymore. They don't want to fuss and fight with you, but they know your guard is up with them at this point. And this is why they're undecided on how to approach you. But they're going to come back and they're going to give you a small offer. Because I feel like they have to prove themselves to you. They want to give you the big offer, but they know you're just not going to take them back. They know this. And they're hoping that you've been healing. Because at the end of the day, they kept betraying your trust. They kept stabbing you in the back. And see, they're back and forth with the 7 of Cups. I'm telling you, it's like they don't know what to do. They don't know what to say to you, how to approach you, how to even fix the situation. But at the same time, they're trying to figure it out. They're like, okay, should I reach out now? Should I wait? Should I try to get myself out of this situation? Or should I reach out to Capricorn or reach out to Crosswatcher and let them know what's going on while I'm trying to remove myself? Like, they're trying to figure this out. Yeah, somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. But let me see, actually, clarify the Queen of Wands. Let me see if this is you or this is someone else. Clarify the Queen of Wands. See, there's 2 women here, guys. 2 women. This is someone else. You and someone else. And see how y'all were looking at each other? So it's like you guys know what's going on. You already know what's taking place in this situation here. You already know. And this person, for some of you guys, if you don't know what's going on, I feel like your person's love interest, family member, whatever, whoever they're dealing with on their end, they know all about you. They know this. And see, it's like, I don't know, it's just like the way this woman is just watching y'all. It's like you're minding your business, you're healing, you're moving on, you're focusing on you, and this person is so scared that the one that you're meant to be with is getting ready to leave them alone, is about to cut them off. They're keeping a close eye on both you and the love interest. When you're over here just minding your business, like you don't have nothing to do with whatever they have going on right now. Because I feel like there has been no communication for a while at least, between you and your person. See? They're removing themselves from this third party situation. They're going to remove themselves. in order to give you the offer that you deserve. But somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. If not, they're having to remove themselves out of some type of arrangement, whether it's a commitment, marriage, situationship, whatever it is. And this is why they're not content financially speaking. Look at that. I'm telling you, somebody could be in a marriage. Honestly, this could be like some type of relationship. They could have been in a marriage. This could be some type of contract. There's something that this person is trying to get out of, and they feel like they're going to have to pay up or give to this other individual, from what I'm picking up. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. See, look, I'm telling you, they're trying to free themselves. They're going to free themselves from a situation, but that's what's going on. There's going to be a tower moment here. So there's going to be some type of shakeup that's going to take place. But this person knows that they want to give you the offer, but they're afraid that you don't want this offer. And this is why they're afraid they're not going to have a new opportunity with you. But they're still going to remove themselves from this third party. They are. Whoever it is. But they know you're not happy with them. It's like... Y'all, daylight saving. Let me cut this lamp on. Sorry, y'all. Hopefully that helps a little bit. It's just like dark. Anyway, see what I'm saying? This person is removing themselves from a third party situation. And they want to move fast. They don't want to take their time anymore. But at the same time, it's like this person can't sleep. They're worried and frustrated because they know they have to make some type of decision here. Yeah, look at them. I told you, they're weighing up their options because, look, they don't want you to walk away from them. They don't. Okay. But they're afraid they're not going to have this new beginning with you. But they don't want you guys to look back at what took place in the past. But they're losing hope that things are going to work out. I'm still seeing communication coming in. They're going to tell you they want to have a new opportunity with you. And they're going to rush in. They're going to rush in to give you this information, Capricorn. Because, see, they're using their intuition. They're listening. Tell me more. But they're afraid that you're going to reject this offer. They don't want you to cut them off, but see, they're afraid you're going to reject it because they didn't work things out. They didn't balance things out with you. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. I don't know. I'm sorry, y'all. Just caught my attention. I don't know if I said somebody could have been dealing with an Aquarius. If I did, I'm sorry. But I don't know. Just caught my attention. Yeah, they want stability with you. But they're not confused. They're coming in. They're just moving slow. This person is afraid that you're done with them. They're afraid you cut them off for good because they left you hanging. They left you out in the cold. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But I see this person coming out of being frustrated, and they're coming to you to speak their truth. They're just afraid that they're not going to have a victory with you. And that's why they're not putting forth any effort. That's why they're not putting in the work just yet. Because, yeah, they're afraid you're done with them. Could be dealing with a Scorpio. But I'm still seeing that secure offer coming in. You're going to get that offer. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But you see what I'm saying? There's still two people here. There's still two people. You're seeing two men. It could be two women. But there's still two people here. And this person is still not speaking up. They're not telling you how they're feeling. Because right now they feel trapped. They feel stuck in a situation. I knew it was going to happen. Y'all are sign number 9 today, okay? And every single sign I have seen 11-11 back to back. Just like this. The cards are different, but I'm telling you, every single sign. There's a shift taking place this month. A big shift. Oh my gosh. Yeah. They're stuck because, one, they feel like you don't want to be with them. For others of you, they're stuck because they're needing to get out of a relationship, a marriage, whatever it is, in order to have this new start with you. See, this person's no longer frustrated. But, see, they're still going through their lessons, guys. This is why they haven't moved forward just yet. Spirit is saying they feel like the seeds that they planted with you, they're not going to grow. But they do want to have this new start with you. They want this new beginning with you, Capricorn. But right now, they're just not taking a leap. So, they do want things to improve. They're just in their head. They're worried right now. But Spirit is saying they're going to get out of their head. They're going to drop it. And they are going to have the strength to come towards you. But right now, they're just afraid things may not improve, because I feel like they are worried about their financial stability, but they're also afraid that things aren't going to improve because of everything that they did put you through. Could be dealing with a Leo. But yeah, Capricorn, that's your reading. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Alright guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Talk to you soon. Bye. Talk to you soon.